Today we're going to be looking at intercepts, and for this picture this is a piece of toilet paper roll art. They took a piece of toilet paper roll and made some cuts in it and pulled up the little pieces of cardboard so it looks like an adult and a child at the zoo looking at the giraffe. So pretty cool there. The x-intercept is the point where the line or your graph line crosses the x-axis. Conversely, the y-intercept is the point on a graph where the line crosses the y-axis. Let's take a look at a blank coordinate plane. Your y-axis is your vertical axis. It's the one that goes up and down. Your x-axis is your horizontal axis. It's the one that goes side to side. When we talk about a y-intercept, we're looking at where a graph crosses this y-axis. Anything on this y-axis is going to have an x value of 0 because you're not going any side to side. So anytime we have a y-intercept, our y-intercept is always going to be in the form 0 something because you're going 0 side to side and some number up and down. So for example, this point right here would be 0, 1 because you're 0 side to side, 1 up and down. This point here would be 0 side to side, 5 up, so it's 0, 5. This point down here would be 0, negative 7. Now looking at our x-axis, our x-axis again is that horizontal line. Any ordered pair that has an x-intercept is going to be in the form some number, comma 0. For example, this is the ordered pair negative 4, 0. This is the ordered pair 7, 0. You're not going any up and down, but you are going some side to side. Let's look at our x and our y intercept. I did skip that last slide. It's not a glitch. For this problem right here, the y-intercept is where we cross the y-axis, so it's going to be right there. And that's going to be the ordered pair 0, 2. We're going 0 side to side, and we're going up 2. Our x-intercept is where our graph crosses the x-axis. We're crossing at this 3 right here, so that will make our x-intercept 3, 0. Now we want to make sure we write these as ordered pairs so we get used to the idea of which is the x-intercept and which is the y-intercept. Try this one on your own. Pause your video and try this one. Make sure you record both the graph and your answers on your notes. Did you get an x-intercept of negative 5, 0? Did you get a y-intercept of 0, 3? If you did, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't, go back and see if you can figure out where you made your mistake. For homework, you have 2 questions. I want you to try and figure out if it is possible for a line to not have an x-intercept. So for a line not to cross this x-axis. If it is, explain. Our second homework problem, I want to know, is it possible for a line not to have a y-intercept, so not to cross the y-axis? If it is, explain. Those are your 2 homework problems for tonight. Have a great day.